Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through using Microsoft Teams from the very beginning so you can communicate and collaborate with confidence. When you first sign in, you'll land on the main screen where everything is organized on the left side. The Activity tab shows notifications and updates, helping you stay on top of messages and mentions. The Chat section lets you start private or group conversations, where you can type messages, share files, use emojis, and make quick audio or video calls. Next, open the Teams tab, which is where teamwork really happens. Here you'll see teams and channels created for different projects or topics. Click a channel to view conversations, pinned posts, and shared files all in one place. Inside a channel, you can reply to messages, tag teammates, and upload documents that everyone can access. Now move to the Calendar tab to schedule or join meetings. You can create a new meeting, add participants, set a time, and include details or links. When it's time, simply click Join to enter the meeting with your camera and microphone controls. During meetings, you can mute yourself, turn your camera on or off, share your screen, and use the chat to send messages. The Calls section allows you to make direct calls, check voicemail, and review call history if your account supports calling features. Finally, the Files tab stores documents shared across chats and teams, making it easy to open, edit, and collaborate in real time. You can also download the desktop or mobile app for smoother performance and notifications. With these basics, you're ready to use Microsoft Teams effectively for daily communication and teamwork. Subscribe the channel for more videos.